Well, we're tracking another severe weather threat on the table for tomorrow, for your Saturday. Taking a look at the National Storm Prediction Center outlook, most of the state of Mississippi, we're in that level 3 enhanced risk for severe weather, and that also encompasses a good portion of the state of Louisiana. Now, this could get upgraded here soon from the Storm Prediction Center outlook here in the next probably 40 minutes. This could get upgraded to a level 4 out of 5 risk. Closer to home, what are we looking at? All of us are under that level 3 out of 5 risk. Do you think it's possible and feasible that we do see an upgrade to a 4 out of 5 risk? I think the best chances for that would be Houston and Starkville south and westward toward central Mississippi and the Mississippi Delta. What are the threats? What is on the table for tomorrow? Elevated tornado risk. Everybody has the chance to see isolated tornadoes, so you want to make sure you do those precautions. Make sure your safe place is ready to go. Your emergency kit's on standby ready in case you do need to act and go to that safe place. But I think a more significant tornado threat could set up Houston, Starkville, south, and westward. Now, again, this does include, right now, this has our westernmost counties. I think that might get expanded eastward. Here, the next update that we get from SPC. We have an elevated damaging wind threat, 30% with damaging winds within 25 miles of a given point. So if I put my point right here in West Point, there's a 30% chance of damaging winds, 60 miles an hour or greater. And just outside of severe thunderstorms, non-thunderstorm wind gusts are going to be gusting up to 20 to 40 miles per hour. So make sure you tie down loose items around your house ahead of tomorrow's windy and possibly damaging winds. Now, flooding risk, we've still got that on the table. We've picked up almost 4 inches of rain in Starkville, and then we add 1 to 2 inches for tomorrow. We could be looking at some big flooding issues across the area because all of our creeks are swollen. Our rivers are running over, so this could cause some major issues later down the line for a flooding risk. This is just showing the flood totals, almost 5 to 6 inches in portions of Monroe and Itawamba counties. So what is all of this in a nutshell? In one graphic, we've got a medium risk for tornadoes, a high risk for damaging winds, low risk for hail, and a medium threat for flash flooding. I think when we go through portions of your Saturday, once we get a good portion of the severe weather threat over, I think it's going to turn into a more flash flooding threat.